The social impact of robots. For many years, robots were mostly used in factories, far away from the everyday lives of citizens. But as the technology has evolved, the use of robots has grown. Robots are used in many situations to make tasks easier for humans. And we are now starting to see robots not only in the industry, but also in our daily life interacting with humans. There are many positive sides and benefits to gain from the work robots can perform. However, some people feel that there might be negative social impacts as well that we might want to consider. One concern is that robots are increasingly competing for jobs against humans. Let's take an example. In agriculture and food production, robots play a significant role in assisting the farmers and workers. The robots are designed to carry out repetitive and monotonous tasks such as milking the cows or picking strawberries. And with time, they might be able to solve even more complex tasks. This automation can ultimately improve the safety, quality, and efficiency of the production. But we also see that fewer human workers are needed as certain jobs become obsolete. This leaves some questioning. Do we then need fewer humans working? And how will this impact our society? We may find ourselves fearful of losing our jobs to a machine. Such fears are not new. If we look back through history, we have had many eras of technological advancement that scared many people, like the Industrial Revolution, the introduction of the automobile, and the rise of the computer. These all radically changed the job market, but humans and society found a way to adapt to them. There is no empirical evidence to support that robots will cause increased unemployment, but it is very likely that robot applications will create changes in the job market. Low-skilled jobs might become scarce, and high-skilled jobs will move to urban areas, impacting the labour and wealth distribution, and regional and geological disparity. This is just one example of some of the fears humans can have about the social impact of robots. The question is whether we humans are ready and prepared for the fundamental transformation brought on by robot technology. How do we determine if the social impact a robot might have is acceptable and something we want? Now that robots are interacting more closely with humans, how do we break down some of the barriers humans might have towards robots? How do we ensure trust in robots? Robotics for EU. Boosting wider adoption of robotics in Europe.